everything about women's equality, why this day, and what there are many interesting aspects that we are going to touch upon, very practical aspects that we are going to touch upon. About Kalpana, before I have her here, she is the founder of Social Tables, which is her venture. You can check it out on Instagram as well. She is also the co-chairperson for ASSOCHAM, the women's part of it, women entrepreneurs part of it. She works very closely with Niti Aayog. She is also a very active member of Wikiflow, of CII Indian Network Women Chapters. And and she also works extensively, speaks extensively about women, about equality, about development. And so I have her today with me. On that note, I just want to invite, and I want to take this conversation forward. Right? I have just sent her a request. Hi Kalpana, good to see you.
Hi Neha. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Very well.
How are you doing?
I am doing very well. Thank you. So good to see you.
So good to see you as well. And thank you so much for inviting me. And thank you so much to picking up this topic. I mean, though we call it as a Women Equality Day, but I personally feel every day is a Women's Equality Day.
Absolutely. And that's the interesting part, I am always against these days having, Parents' Day, Mother's Day, and Women's Equality Day. But at the same time, it's on all such occasions, I come up talking about it. So,
so I want to congratulate you, Neha. You're doing some incredible work. And it gives me so much of, pleasure and happiness to see such many women coming out and taking up such issues. Do we say it as a Women's Equality Day or Mother's Day or Sister's Day or any other XYZ day? But irrespective of raising so much of awareness and talking about it, but still we need such kind of days and to talk more about it. And to get that kind of awareness where people feel motivated and come out and talk about it, listen, and they feel, because that's how even I got that kind of motivation. So it is very important. हम औरतें तो बोलते हैं every day is a Women's Day, लेकिन होता है वैसा है नहीं. So let's begin the session without wasting much time.
Absolutely. Great. We're already in 2020 and the road still seems to be really long. We are still talking about women's equality. We are so many years away from, from freedom. So let's just open the session on with your views. What do you think about women's equality? Where do you think we stand?
Well, I believe that women's equality is a must. For the past years, it has been difficult to achieve that goal. However, now after a lot of effort and lot of awareness, I personally feel people have started raising their daughters as their son. That is quite a good thing. But sometimes I wonder, why haven't they started raising their sons as their daughters?
Wow, that's a wonderful point.
This is where the difference lies. It is definitely a long way to achieve equality in real sense.
Right. So why do you think they are still not, or how would it be to have raising your daughters as your, or sons as your daughters? How would that be? That sounds really interesting.
Yeah, so I personally feel adoption of such kind of attitude should be a lifestyle. So when when your daughters and your sons will be treated equally at home.
Right.
Everything begins from home, right? As they say, charity begins from home. The roots begin from home. The foundation begins from home. So when your son and daughters are treated equally by their parents, and when siblings have equal respect for each other, gender equality will prevail.
Wonderful. And I think,
spouses will contribute equally in the household chores and will have an equal say in household decision. That's the way the gender equality will prevail. A change will occur when both the genders are treated with equal respect. That's what I personally believe in.
Right. I think you touched on such a fantastic point, and that was in my today's agenda as well. That, let's talk about, let's keep two strata separate, right? So let's keep the strata which is villages and where even the basic root education is an issue. Let's keep that separate. We'll come to that as well. But let's talk about urban lifestyle where you and I are living right now, currently, right? So in urban lifestyles where a household has, let's say, a son and a daughter and parents, nuclear families, how do you think this idea of equality can be nourished at that very core, where the spouses treat each other equally and then they treat their children equally? How would this equal world look like? What is it that they would do to be called as equal?
So I think it is all about perception. And I think it is about the mindset and the clarity what one needs to have in their house. I want to ask you one question. Why does the girl child or a daughter-in-law has to fight for her own rights? Why aren't the equal rights? Yeah. So sometimes, kya hota hai na? You have to fight for it. Especially when a woman, for example, I come from a Marwadi family background. I was brought up in Bangalore, urban city. I am married in Bombay. I work in Bombay, Delhi. All right.
Yeah.
So just imagine, we come from that family background where education was given the right for a girl to study. But I remember after 12th standard, my parents were like, "Kahi bhag ke chali gayi, shaadi kar liya, I mean, how will we cope up with that?" Because the safety is something which concerns all our parents. So galti unki nahi hai. Being a women, the government has to give us the kind of safety when a woman steps out. So it is not the parents who are not stopping us. It is the system which is stopping our women. All right. Yeah. So when this lack of safety, even just imagine we are in 2020. How safe are we?
Yeah.
All right. So having said that, it is the ecosystem which has been created by our government, by our families, and by the society, which doesn't give women that kind of opportunities, irrespective even they are smart enough to do it. Dar lagta hai.
Yeah.
They want to secure us.
Right.
If you look back in the ages, why was there Ghungat? So that's how they would secure us. 8 years of my marriage, I wore that Ghungat. Yes. And today I am here interviewing world leaders. So how did this happen?
How did it happen?
Yeah. So you can't change the ecosystem around you. You need to change yourself. That's the day I decided I was not made for this. There's only one life what I have. And I need to get up and dust my shoulders, tap it.
Yeah.
What comes in my way, I will face it, but I'm going to live my life. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. I am here. I'm a part of the family. If my brother can go out and work, I have that rights. If my husband can go out and work, I have a right. If my son can go out and I have a right. Don't stop me. I took that.
So you're saying taking it in your hand. Actually, that's a wonderful point, because most of the time, one factor that keeps women behind, and then they keep cribbing about it, is the self-belief. Is that, they would want everything externally to change, and then they would like to just adapt to it. But that's not how things work.
It's high time. It's high time. We are in 2020. It's high time. Wake up. What permissions are you waiting for? Because I remember after I got married, I was wearing this sari and ghungat for good 8 years. And then I realized if I'm becoming a achi bahu also, I am not even been, given that kind of respect. What
Right.
your bahu has to be given by stopping her in terms of not financially or not keeping well or something, not in that way. When I talk about when I also had a desire to go out and work, I also desired to work with my husband, but I was not allowed to do that. कि घर की बहुत है, गाड़ी है, घर है, enjoy करो and all those things. You can't restrict your dreams. And then there comes
Yeah.
a threshold. There
Right.
comes a time where you just break down and you're like, now no matter what, you need to do what
Yeah.
you need to do. So either you
Yeah.
convince them or you convince yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. So you have to see which is your best option so that you don't blame anybody after.
So you
At
can't
that
blame anyone. No, see,
Right.
people can control you only to that level, how much you give them the power.
Yeah, true.
And
Very well said.
don't do anything wrong. I'm not telling you कि आप सब break all the rules and go and do whatever it is. Government ने हजारों rule किए हैं, हजारों laws किए हैं. If you go and see and follow everything, you will never be able to live your dreams.
Correct.
You need to be in your boundary and yet go ahead and do something. And
Right. Right.
that's the place where the change begins. You need to take, as I told you, again I repeat, imagine a Marwadi Jain family, from where to where. I've survived cancer 3 times. Just 2 days back, I was discharged from the hospital. If you see this mark, I'm not showing this mark just because I want to show it. I'm showing it for the women out there who can take some kind of information. Just 2 days back, I was at Leelavati Hospital. I got my surgery done. I'm here talking to you, waiting for my reports. I may have to go for my chemo. I may have to go for my radiations. I may lose my hair again. But does that stop me? No.
Wow. Hats off to you. That's very inspiring.
Yes.
And very empowering.
And imagine the third time you're fighting. It's not easy.
Yeah. Yeah.
But having said that, cancer is here. So when I'm talking about cancer, I'm not talking about cancer. I'm talking about any kind of thought process, what you have
metaphorically.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it is here. If it is here, you can't achieve your goals.
Right.
I had decided. I made my mind. Physically, it can harm me a little bit. Mentally, it can touch me.
Right. And it happens usually vice versa.
It happens usually vice versa. Absolutely. Absolutely.
And that's where you have to be conscious. You're saying that's where you have to be cautious and conscious to be able to stop it at the right time and tell yourself this is not what life is for you.
What I feel, and now take charge. I mean, if you go to see, especially this women equality thing, if you go and see in the rural area, you will find women are equal over there. Because you will find the men supporting their women, their wife, in terms of, you call about this laborers who are, working. They're working together. They're taking the entire family. They're keeping the child over there beside them or carrying the child and working together. They will have to work. They have no other choice. We have choice. So now, for example, when I'm talking about women's equality or when we are talking about women empowerment, nobody can do anything until you help yourself, because women in urban areas it is very easy to talk about women equality. It is very easy to sit and gossip and blame men out there. It is very easy to blame the government. But you tell me one thing, Neha. Tomorrow, everybody's fighting some or the other different battle. Women are coming and talking. I have so many friends who are women who come and tell me, "Mere saath aisa ho gaya hai. My husband hits me. He's an industrialist. He's a politician. They have so much of money, and we don't have equal rights. We don't have anything." I said, "Get up, do something." Nahi yaar, kaise karenge? Lifestyle is such na. Can I be in that kind of lifestyle?
Yeah. So it's a bargain. It's a choice and a bargain that you're making.
They want that comfort zone. They want to be independent. They want to, they want everything in their kitty. But yet they're not, ready to take the charge. So you can't blame men everywhere. You can't blame society. You can't blame anything. You have to get up. आप
Right.
अपना खुद ही आपको करो. I'm not telling you go wrong. Go out
Right.
and do something wrong.
Right.
Many opportunities. Now tell me one more thing. I'll tell you one. For example, the entire day we are sitting on this WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, chatting, gossiping, and the whole thing. Bache pade, husband are sitting on the one side, all of us are on the phone. Have we, government, have come out with so many schemes? Can
Right.
you take 1 hour and spend productively and check over there what scheme
Yeah.
can I apply? For example, there's a scheme where government is giving you 3 CR without any mortgage, without any security.
Right.
Did you know, Neha?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So there's
Yes.
not, imagine a 3 crore for 7 years, no mortgage,
Yeah.
no security, government is supporting you. Go live your dream. आपका empire खड़ा करो. And
Right.
after 7 years, you can give the 3 CR to the government. Imagine that 3
Right.
you're going to empower so many people. You're going to create livelihoods for so many other,
Absolutely.
women who are striving to come out
Yeah.
and live their
Yeah.
dreams.
I think what you're rightly also saying is that only when you empower yourself is when you can empower anybody else or even talk about empowerment.
Point. Empower yourself. We know
Yeah.
women, if you go to see, women are very strong enough, very strong than men. And if women decides मुझे ये करना है, nobody can stop her.
Yeah.
All she needs to take that inner
Yeah.
feeling, that inner
Yeah.
what do you call? अंदर से जो आवाज आती है, that you have to listen. And when
Yeah.
you listen that, because that doesn't keep on beeping once, twice, or 3 times. If you don't listen, you're missing out your opportunity.
Right. Very true. Very true. But tell me this thing. I mean, there are still, having said that, there is no way that we can shy away from the fact that there are external barriers as well. So I will count it as an internal barrier, wherein the women are not able to proceed because of their own disbelief in self, their non-ability to take decisions, their non-ability to be perseverance. But there are external factors as well. For example, women are called as untapped economy. And why untapped? Because whatever said and done, the kind of investment from a girl's education to a woman's entrepreneurial journey, to even simple examples when I see households a woman wants to do something and then when she shares the idea with a better half, there are a lot of questions and questions with a lot of doubt. Now, one part is that they should be strong enough to be able to handle that doubt and be so much of self-belief. That's one part, which is internal factor. Then there is an external factor. So we can't shy away from the fact that there are external factors where people are trying to push you down and not consider you as equal. How do women handle that?
Yeah, of course, you rightly said there are a lot of external factors. First, you need to fight your internal battles to come out. And then again, a woman has to go and fight out externally. So it is not easy.
Right.
Nothing comes easy. But then that's the whole idea about it, where, you need to face the world. You need to decide first what you want to do. There are opportunities, there are schemes, there are fundings. I mean, even if you start with zero, at least start following your passion.
Yeah.
Where
Take
are
the
you?
risk.
Yes, take the risk, follow your passion, go out. Because when you say, now for example, we started with the security thing. People are not secured enough, thinking that very safety kya. Even today, if I have to go out late night, my husband is like, teri safety kya.
Yeah.
We started with that external factor itself.
Yeah.
Right?
True.
So over here, and it is easily said and done.
Yeah. True. Very
Even-
true. Yeah.
Even today, how many, women are getting raped, women are getting molested. Apart from that, women who are sitting at home, talk about this online harassment, abuse.
Yeah. Yeah. So cyber crimes and
right?
cyber
And
bullying. Yeah.
cyberbullying, and apart from that, people are not safe at their home because a very, very close friend of mine, I'm fighting with the police for her. When she came and told me, I'm sitting at home from nowhere. This person, I don't even know him, he's sending me a porn video.
Yeah. And there we were talking about wearing short dresses, and then people will abuse you. Look at that.
Imagine.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like, मैं घर पे बैठी हूँ and I'm getting abused for nothing, doing nothing.
Yeah.
It is
True.
So see, these things
Yeah.
will happen. But then you need to, take your charge. You need to see your circumstances. Because I can't tell, Neha, you have to do this thing. These are the ideas because my perception can be different and yours could be different, right? I can show you. And especially kahan hota hai, women are not supporting other women.
Correct. Very good point you touched.
Once women start supporting another woman, miracles happen.
Yeah. Yeah. Very true.
So,
Yeah, stand for
it. Even I need your support. Even you need my support. Hence we are here.
Yeah, how many times the gossip point of women is only women,
Only women. Imagine.
Yeah. Yeah. Very
so
true.
It's time women start supporting, mothers start supporting, in-laws start supporting, sisters start supporting, and stop. I mean, you should feel that happy when they grow.
Yeah. Very true. And you're also saying that till the time they do not support, it doesn't mean that you have to just sit and wait for it. Till the time if they don't support, don't take your charge.
Don't take your charge. And also, I will tell you what, even if the government have passed this reservation bill of this women 33% quota, where women in politics, all right?
Yeah.
Why aren't women there? 33% women are there in the parliament. Tell me.
Yeah.
Because.
Please tell me. Yeah.
Because women are not being seen. Come out, talk, be vocal, show your credential. जब तक मुझे, अगर today if I was at home, said you wouldn't have reached out to me. Today you would have seen something to me.
Be there, be visible.
Be visible. Talk about it.
Yeah.
Do your working right.
Very true.
Today, everything is digital. Everything is networking. I don't have to imagine. We never even thought during COVID times that we are going to also have an interaction this way. But of course, we are also saving a lot of money.
Yeah.
In of like,
there are benefits.
Getting people, getting everything and talking on one platform, and look over here, things are made easy. So there are very many innovative ideas. Okay, Social Tables was born just 2.5 months back, when my boss sacked me. Said, I don't have money to give you. I was working, I work as a retainership as well. She said, I will not give you overnight. I didn't sit and cry. I felt bad. You won't believe me. The same night, the very same night, I created Social Tables, and the next day I did my first show.
Wow. See, and that's what it is. It's great.
We are 3 months old. And we are interviewing world leaders.
Wow.
We are giving a lot of opportunities. I am now, my next program is, I'm interviewing 15 Padma Shri awardee who are innovators in technology. They have done brilliantly well, both men and women, talking about.
Right.
So, opportunities are there, but are you ready? The question is, are you ready?
Yeah, and I think, are you ready to face the challenge? Are you ready to do the hard work? Are you ready to fail more than succeed? I think that's very important.
Absolutely, totally agree with you. And moreover, आप घर पे वैसे भी बैठ के आप fail ही हो if you're sitting and crying. Might as well आप जाके fail हो जाओ. Who knows you succeed?
Right. So I think this is so beautifully coming in. Initially, when I had set out the agenda, I had also put a question on gender pay gap and stuff like that. But I think what it's already boiling down to our conversation is more of like achieving women's equality is in women's hands.
Absolutely.
Yes, there are external factors, but internal factors are far more powerful. Is that what we have spoken so far?
Yes, absolutely. See, first is the decision making.
Yeah.
Until you don't decide, until you don't have a clarity in life,
Right.
you tell me,
Right.
you will not even be able to see the path.
Absolutely.
There's a,
Absolutely.
there's a space for everyone. God has,
Correct.
even if you see the differently abled, somebody may not have eye, but they paint
Yeah.
beautifully.
Right. How nice. Yeah.
Right?
Everyone is blessed with something or
Everyone
the other.
has their own ways.
Yeah.
Just follow your
Yeah.
passion.
Yeah. Wonderful. I mean, and I think that's already such a powerful note. I am so glad you spared your time. You invested your time instead, I would rather say.
Many
And you
times.
came on the platform. I mean, it feels interesting and pleasure of mine that somebody who interviews such people and, someone who does that job, I have the pleasure of doing that job with you today, interviewing you.
My honor.
And Raga, along with a lot of people who joined us, Raga also joined us. She dropped actually left a message for you saying that she's a fighter, big love.
Yeah, I love her too. Raga, I am more than friends. I'm a personal fan of her. The way she's fighting her whole entire thing,
Yeah,
she inspired me to another level. And I
yeah,
salute
yeah.
you, Raga. I
Salute her.
She is
Same
such
here.
a, and she is a person. I remember when I started my journey, and I
Yeah,
was not very good at with that kind of hosting online, and I didn't know how to go about, and I don't
yeah,
even feel shy about it to talk over here
yeah.
about
Yes,
the see how women is supporting another women. I called her up, and
yes,
late night she was there standing by me, supporting me, and giving me all the tips and how to go about, how to start, if you need any help. I didn't even know
wonderful.
how to operate Zoom. She was there with me. StreamYard, she's the one who taught me. I didn't even know anything about it. Just 3 months
Yeah,
back.
look
So
at
this
that.
look at that. This is, and that's why I said when women support another women, miracle happen. I wish we had Raga here. I would have given my love to her over here also. I would have let she knows a lot.
I'm going to
Yeah.
share the link with her and I'll ask
Please
her
do,
to
please,
go and watch it.
please do tell her.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much for coming and,
Thank you so much.
thanks for your time.
It's such
It
an
was
honor.
so nice.
So
It was
nice
so
to,
nice hearing you.
thank you so much, Neha, for taking up such sensitive issues because, irrespective of we women telling that every day is a Women's Day or Women Equality Day, but yet there's a lot more to do, and yet we need to make such dialogues not only nationally, internationally also. And let me know if I can do anything for you or support you in any way. Ways social tables is always open to any women or your audience or anyone who wants to get associated with. We are doing a lot of skill development, vocational training, financial inclusion. So we are doing everything. We have come up with this app, lagna.com, where differently able acid attack survivors and cancer survivors come on this online, can register on this
Platform.
app and platform,
Wow.
and they can network, they can get married. Even a normal person can get married to them and empower. They do skill training, vocational training. We are giving them jobs. We are also helping them financially, however we can. So a lot of opportunities are there. If you need any kind of counseling or something, we are here to help you out. We have Neha, such a beautiful soul who is doing incredible work. She's here to help us all of us out. So we as a team are here. Just reach out.
Absolutely. We're there. Just reach out. I loved what you said. I
Yes.
loved what you said when we were speaking over phone that, just reach out. I mean, there is, who stops you from doing something else? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? सामने वाला बोलेगा कि भाई मेरे पास time नहीं है, मैं भी busy हूँ या, there will be rejection. With me, I think it is rejection.
Yeah, accept it. And it is so personal. आपने phone किया और reject कर दिया. Who knows it? Take it that way.
That's a true point. Yeah, yeah. You have to look at it that way.
Look at it that way. Even I have it.
Yeah.
I have called up sir or ma'am. No. Okay, fine. Who no? किसी ने नहीं देखा. ठीक है. चलो. Let me try a next person. I have also tried 1,000.
Yeah.
I'm still trying
Yeah.
and I'm still learning. So yeah,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
Neha is here. I am here. There's such a beautiful universe out all of you. Thank you so much, Neha, for having invited
Thanks
me.
a lot. My pleasure. My pleasure. And you're so empowering already. I love to see your energy. You are doing, of course, like Raga also mentioned, it's a big fight that you are already winning. So keep chasing the big dream that's yours.
Thank you so much and wish you all the very best in life as well. And I'm here.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye bye bye.
So on that note, I hope you enjoyed the conversation. I think what boils down is